let's get it. Welcome to my world. Hey guys, what's going on? So welcome to episode 2 of just my little series on building my MX5 behind me. So in this episode we're going to be doing the NB Flowworks Designs front splitter. So with these come the 2 splitter rods that you connect into the bumper, and it comes with all the hardware. So this is from Flowworks. This is a really strong, well-made design, and hopefully it's an easy install, and we're going to see how we go. So first of all, I've just gotten the car jacked up and put on stands. So you would have seen in my last video how to jack up a car and put it on stands, especially this MX5. So it's up, it's on the stands, so we're going to try and get this lip on without screwing it up. So pretty much now I'm just going to try and line it up as best I can and see where it's kind of got to go before I start marking and drilling holes. Don't you wish you had a sick car so you can modify it?
If I had money.
I don't have money.
What? You're confusing me.
Oh shit, I'm funny. I can go on. You look. Yeah, we're on. Oh.
Do you want me to do something?
Come on! I'm running away. Oh shit, I'm fucking... Ah! Yes, I don't have to hold it anymore. Woohoo! Alright, so we've got it just test fitted. So, I figured out that there are some OEM holes right here that if you just take out and then pull the threaded clip out, put the hardware supplied through, and then that just lines up on both sides. And then I've just drilled one hole through the center and attached that so that I don't have to actually support the bumper. And now I'm just going to drill all the other holes and then fasten it. This is gonna be easy as to put on.
Don't jinx it.
Famous last words. I would advise people wear safety glasses whilst drilling holes in bumpers.
Mate.
Where are mine? Mine are at work. Oh, there's a fog light there. If you're drilling into the sides, don't forget there's a fog light there. I hate drilling into bumpers. Makes me sad.
Why are you doing it?
Because it's gonna look hectic. Alright, so I've got all the hardware on. I'll show you. Boom. Boom. I'm going to tighten it up. The camera's about to die, so I'll go put it on charge while I fasten it all up, and then I'll show you how I get the rods on. Oh yes, where are my majiggies? So, that goes in there. Oh, that goes in there, and then that goes up there. Ooh! That's going to look so good. If it ever gets in. Okay, so didn't really go to plan with the rods on my front splitter, and I had to take it into work, put it up on the hoist and take the front bumper off. Unfortunately I couldn't film any of that because I was in work, but I'll just show you a few photos of that that'll just pop up now. But yeah, so pretty much I had to take the front bumper off, and I had to measure and mark where I was going to drill the rods into the top of the bumper, because I tried to connect the rods to the towing eyes, but it just didn't work and the rods were bending and it didn't look very good. So I'll show you how they've ended up.
Alright, so as you can see, I've taken the bumper off and I have drilled holes through the top of the bumper, so they now just connect into the front up the top there. Same on the other side, and I think that gives it a really clean, nice look. And I'm absolutely stoked with the outcome of this. I think it looks really, really good. Would 100% recommend this Flowworks splitter. It's really good quality. It's really strong. I've had it on for a few days now. I'm just getting to editing this video, and yeah, I'm just loving it. And it's not ridiculously low. Like, this car is lowered on coilovers, but yeah, I'm not scraping on anything. So just quickly, if there is anything you guys want to see done on an MX-5, anything you want to see, any tutorials, any how-tos, make sure you drop them in the comment box. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and leave some love. Cheers, guys.